spray gun. Machine is made for construction insulation, wall and roof. Feeding pump, two feeding pump into the material dumps. And the material will pump into the machine and can spray out. This is a heat system. The material will heat here, and heat house connect here, heat house connect here, and
Yes, it's very easy to move.
yeah. This machine can handle with around 90 meters heat house. This is pneumatic one, and this is the air pipe. This one is connect with air compressor. This one, this pipe.
How to clean the machine?
Yes, you can see the gun.
This machine.
Yeah.
Same. You can put this pump into the clean liquid drum and spray.
And if you buy
Spray for wheel, you can clean the whole line. It's easy to clean, and no need to clean every day.
How long is that pipe?
How long?
How long?
This one row is 15 meters, and this machine you can connect max 90 meters heat house.